All right, let's go back here and look at the APY, guys. Black Panther, they're going to have their own token release soon. You can just put your injective in here and stake it and earn points. And eventually you can trade or swap your points into Black Panther. The APY is just ridiculous. Like, these are different based off of assets and profits and things like that. I believe profits is for the platform, I believe, and I think assets is what is deposited here. So the APY we are looking at is probably this, or I think this might be growth. I'm not too sure, but I do know that 7,000% in 7 days off of $37,000 is not a lot of money. $800,000 and getting 300 and something percent APY is not a lot of money when you are on a protocol, aka a blockchain that already has $3 billion. That is going to just trickle into these smaller platforms. Okay, so you definitely want to get some injective. If you don't have any, you want to put it on this platform here, and you want to get some of that good APY and get some points. It's similarly, I always tell people, you can put your money in the bank, but what is that going to honestly do when you put your money in the bank? Like, it's not going to really do too much for you, right? Besides, what? Put your money in the bank, get 0.1%, is not really going to do anything for you. So with these particular projects, I would just say, guys, get you some TALIS, trade on Helix app, get your injective over on Black Panther, and just do your research, guys. There's so much stuff you can do in crypto. We have our own Telegram group where I give you guys 10x to 100x picks. Basically, you put in $1,000, you could potentially make $10,000 to $100,000 in a bull run, potentially, with these investments. So if you guys are interested in that, and like I said, I'm always on the cutting edge, guys. Definitely, shoot us that DM on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and ask about how to get into the group. And once you're in the group, I go into further detail about these projects, because every single project we don't stay in. I don't recommend every single project. And even if I do recommend a project, I give you a game plan on how to attack it, how to invest, how to put a certain amount of money in, and how to time. You can't 100% time the market, but you can have an edge, as you see right there, in this. So if you need a little help and you want to understand this thing and you want to get access to this, shoot me a DM. You'll get more info about that. Peace.